Hey everyone, welcome to Engineering Tech. In this video, we are going to see how to transfer large number of files from our local system to the Google Drive. What happens that when we have large number of files in our local system, suppose we have 7,000, 8,000 images, or we can say type of files in our system, then if we are going to upload that number of files on the Google Drive, then it might be take hours and hours of time in order to upload on the Google Drive by drag and drop method. So what happens that it very becomes hectic part, that means a person has to wait for 30 minutes or we can say 1 hour, 2 hour for the same task. So in this video I will show how to transfer such number of files within a minute, or we can say in 2 to 3 minutes only. For that we will require some Linux commands, and which we are going to execute on the Google Colab. We will going to link our Google Drive to the Google Colab, and then we will do operations, and then hence we are done. We can say upload our local system files to the Google Drive. Apart from that, we can also use third-party apps such as Zip Extractor. Yeah, it also works fine, but it also takes large amount of time in order to you can say unzip the files. Unzip what means if we are going to zip our files or local files into a one zip file, and then we are going to upload that zip file on the Google Drive, then hence we can use Zip Extractor and we can easily extract all the files available on the zip file on the Google Drive. So I am also going to use similar approach, but I am not going to use the third-party apps such as Zip Extractor. Now here I can see that I have a dataset folder, and in that I have two subfolders, tuberculosis, and each folder means tuberculosis contains 3550 images, means we can say 3500 images, and in the number folder also we have 3500 images, means in all we have total 7000 images, and I have to upload on the Google Drive. So basically it becomes very hectic for me when I have selected the whole folder and drag and drop to the Google Drive. Okay, so it becomes very hectic task for me. So what I have did, I have zipped the folder and prepare tv.zip, and I just uploaded that particular folder on my Google Drive. Yeah, uploading a single file on a Google Drive, it's very easy. We can also we can just drag and drop that particular zip file on here, and yes, with the high-speed server on the Google Google Drive, we can in just fraction of seconds we can upload our file. So yeah, I have uploaded my zip file, and you can see in this folder this is currently empty. I am going to transfer all the files and folders available here in this zip file will be moved to the TB extracted in an extracted form. So yeah, for this we have to I am going to use Google Colab. If you don't know how to use this Google Colab, I can show you very simple tricks. And mostly what happens that when a guy of machine learning, deep learning, they basically deals with images, and their data sets contains a lot number of images, and if happens that particular guy doesn't have any GPU system, then he will going to use Google Colab, and Google Colab is mostly deal with Google Drive. So what happens that it will becomes very hectic for a person to upload that particular images to that Google Drive. So to solve that problem, I made this video that it becomes very easy for everyone to upload any number of files on the Google Drive. Yeah, although it will take some minutes, but yeah, not greater than or not in terms of 30 minutes or 1 hour. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to mount this Google Drive, okay, on the Google Colab. I will provide you this notebook on the you can say I will upload it on GitHub, and you can just download it from GitHub. I will mention the link of that GitHub in my descriptions, okay, video descriptions. So let me just mount the drive. Yeah, drive is already mounted. Yeah, in order to show you, let me terminate this session so you can easily see. Yeah, that yeah, terminate. Let's terminate all this. Okay, yeah, it's mounted. Let's change the runtime to the GPU. Yeah, GPU, let's make it GPU, and click on reconnect. Yeah, I guess this will be around 10 minutes of video, just 10 minutes. So guys, yeah, by this piece of code I am going to mount my drive. So I will click on this link. I will choose my drive, so I will going to use this. I will blur this for security purpose. Let me just copy this and I will paste this here. Now my drive will be mounted in the Google Colab. I can see here on left side panel. So let me just replace this. Yes, here it is. I will just go through the we can see where my zip file is allocated, stored. So give me a second. Yeah, here it is. I have that particular zip file and the folder in which I have to extract all my images and all. So for the extractions, I can just use the unzip command of Linux. So for that I have to copy the path. So I can just click on these triple dots, vertical dots, copy the path, and you can just paste it here. Yeah, okay, and I will just run this. Okay, oh it's unzip. It will take some we can say seconds in order to unzip the files. Yeah, it's done. Okay, it stopped moving, means the task has been completed. Okay, so when the zip file has been extracted, you can see it has been stored in data set, tuberculosis, and that particular image. So it is the above of drive folder. We can say yes, this is the data set, then there is an tuberculosis and all the number of files. Okay, so what happens that we have extracted the particular folder but not in our Google Drive. We have extracted that particular thing on the Colab virtual machine. So our next task is to transfer the original files from virtual machine to the Google Drive. So I can use this copy command. This command is used to copy the contents of this virtual machine to the Google Drive. I have means the syntax of this is means I have to use this -r because I have some folders, and in that some folder I have some files. Means there is a recursive number of copies. So yeah, because of this I have used R, and this is the what our source address, means we can say source path. So it will be our content, data set, and tuberculosis. You can just copy this path, and you can just paste it here. Okay, sorry. Yeah, like this. Okay, and you can also, and you can see that I have created this folder. So you can just copy that particular folder path, and I have just provided that path. You can see that yeah, it is here, tbn extracted. You can also, means if you want to know the path, you can just use triple dots. Let me show you. I have making some hierarchies, so you can just, yeah, here it is, copy the path, and you can just directly paste it here. Okay, if I run this command, you can see the task has been executed. All the contents of my virtual machine will be copied to my drive. Okay, and this will happen in very means you can say very fast. Okay, so and I guess it will take some seconds in order to reflect the particular folders and files in our Google Drive. Okay, just few seconds, we will just wait for it also. Yeah, what happens that if means you can say that the unzip and the copy command will take only few seconds, but if you are going to use the third-party apps, or you are going to use the drag and drop option, it will take hours and hours to upload that number of files on the Google Drive. Okay, I have written this command, this number of lines, you can say program, in order to calculate that how many, we can say, you can see that how many sorry, let me complete this. I have written this program in order to check that how many number of files has been there in particular folder. Okay, we will get to this, but you can see that in tb extracted there is a folder data set, and in that data set folder we have the two subfolders. Okay, let me just copy this means our we can say all the images has been transferred from virtual machine to the Google Drive. Let me just copy and paste this path, and let's see how many images are there in the normal folder. Our output is 3500 as we know, and how many we can say number of images are there in the tuberculosis folder. Let me just run this. Yeah, it is also 3500, means our 7000 images has been transferred in just less than 1 minute, guys. You can see that how fast and accurate this is. There is no loss of data, nothing. You can just open this folder. You can see there is a folder in datasets, and there is a normal. If it will take some time, guys, in order to reply both the folders, so let's just wait for a few minutes. Yeah, here it is. We can say that here our folder has been reflected. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is how simply we can extract our whole, or we can say upload our whole files on the Google Drive within few seconds or few minutes. Guys, apart from that, I will say that I write articles on Docsip.com and based on machine learning, artificial intelligence and deep learning. You can find various articles which is published by me, Hitesh Gupta. You can just read any of these articles, and you can just give us a comment that what future articles you want on this article section or in this video descriptions, or we can say video comments, sorry. So guys, that's it for my side today. We will meet soon for the next video. Thank you.